Welcome to the Ultimate Guide for 2026. Today, we're showing you how to safely download and install the Windows 11 to 6H to update. Windows 11 to 6H2 is the latest major evolution, focusing on significant architecture improvements and enhanced core security features for modern PCs. Microsoft has extended the security life cycle for this build. Home and Pro users are covered until late 2028, while enterprise versions get support until 2029. Before upgrading, check your requirements. You'll need a dual-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, and mandatory TPM2.0 support. Note that certain hardware, specifically older Snapdragon or NVIDIA mobile platforms on build to 6H1, are currently incompatible with this to 6H to update. The first safe method is via the Windows Insider Preview portal. Sign in with your Microsoft account to access the official experimental channel. Select your preferred language and system architecture. Once downloaded, always verify the SHA-256 hash to ensure the ISO file is authentic and safe. Option 2 involves using UUP Dump. This community-driven tool allows you to download the latest 26,300 build files directly from Microsoft servers. Configure your download to include updates. Then run the provided command script as an administrator to compile the final ISO image automatically. Warning: the UUP compilation requires at least 70 GB of free space. Ensure your drive is ready before starting the script. Next, use Rufus to create your bootable media. Select your USB drive and the ISO, ensuring the partition scheme is set to GPT and UEFI. Now you can boot from the USB for a clean install, or simply mount the ISO file within Windows for a quick in-place upgrade. Following these steps ensures you have a secure and official version of the 6H to update. Always back up your data before proceeding. That's it for our 2026 safety guide. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more professional tech tutorials and Windows updates.